how good your intrinsic core stabilization is, and the ability to control the pelvis is to do a push-up with your feet on 2 balls and your hands on 2 balls. There we go. So no help. We don't want anybody else to hold on to the balls. This is totally on you.
And don't help at all.
There we go.
Oh, no. No worries.
Give me a chance.
Estaba diciendo que para la bola, para que no se mueva, para por lo menos tenga el pie. Ahí está. Ahí está. Oiga.
So this is testing your pelvic floor.
It's testing your intrinsic core strength, not just your pelvic floor. Your pelvic floor is only 1/5 of the intrinsic core muscles. Just sloppy balls here to make sure we have equilibrium between the back and the front. Okay.
You got it.
Now he has a double eye to him. I know. Come on. Feel free, this is for everybody. Anybody can try. If your balls can't touch on the back foot, then there has to be separation.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. Can I take my legs off?
yeah, you can.
Is that cheating?
There you go.
Well, that was one, wasn't
It
it?
is.
Oh. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, well done.
Oh, we got it.
Well, no, not really. I asked for 10. He only gave me 2.
I give you 4.
Oh, stop. Those first 2 didn't count.
Take the kill.
Hey.
We trying to tell you about your phone, man.
How do you? I got how
Back to
about
the series.
Yeah. You probably, the croc's not in speed mode. Hey?
si lo hacías
Yeah, that's
ahí
all.
Yeah.
que estaban ahí
Forward small. Forward small.
ponían 3 y después ponían un pie.
Wow. I think if you just can get out, and that's a good thing.
I think so too.
Color
All right.
You got this.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the feet. And everything else.
Come on, Reese.
Yeah. No, I'm good.
Come on, Reese.
You know your limits, man. I know my
You
limits.
said you know your
I know my limits. That's about it.
You're stupid.
I'll take it though.
Autumn's thinking, yeah, this is easy.
No.
There
There you go. Come on,
You
come on.
can only have one
Why
leg.
do you keep going to the left, to the right? Fix it across there. Fix it.
I could do like a
You only
two-handed
have
thing.
one.
I can do a two-handed one. Put me on the post.
That was very graceful, wasn't it? Eh? Slow-mo.
Next round.
Sounds good.
I feel up.
I feel like we get on there. That's a good thing.
That totally looks a bit suspect, isn't it?
Which one?
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, the right
Just
one's-
do your
the right
thing.
one's nearly-
Don't pay
nearly
attention.
about to come off.
Like just block the hater. Block the hater.
You gotta start at left.
You may want to stop and restart.
No,
Right leg.
no, you're good.
Alright, 5 more.
That's 3,
Come on.
isn't it? 5 is probably big. I got 7.
Come on, 3, 2 more.
Jeez.
2,
I did say 20, didn't
1.
She's
Oh,
the
it's
winner.
going.
I? Man.
Here we go. Boom.
Oh, that's ready to come off there.
Yeah, right.
That's really rocking quite bad.
Okay, G.
Chum, that's it. I think you got 20 already.
How many is that?
Accepted.
I don't know. I lost count.
We have
Trainer
to go
today.
back. See how many really is legit. legitimately good. Okay?
Good
It
job.
seems like a lot, but we don't know.